Boost life is fun. You get more power and it's more reliable though. Which most people know. But boost is a lot more fun. Alright, Jordan, crank. Yes, man. Hold him, man. Alright, so boost life is fun, you know what I mean? You get more power and it's more reliable, you know what I mean? Which most people know. But boost is a lot more fun.
How long it park? 10 months. According
yeah, 10
to
months.
Yes, big up. Right now, me need some support because the camera very heavy. You don't want. Come here, not tremble.
You Jordan. Come down, put in the right key.
What other key?
Give me the other key.
Just put in the right key.
What? Oh, yes, Lord. Again. She sounds stronger. The car did leave gas.
Go on again, Jordan.
Come look around at us.
Go on again, Jordan.
Again.
Somebody say again?
No, me I say so. Somebody say you have spark. Somebody did ask if you did do what they tell. Mikey 876. Check the fuel pressure.
Pressure, fuck around.
I don't see him move. I don't know where them did see move.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Crank. You see spark, babe?
No. Where me feel look?
Alright, look. Look right underneath here.
Alright, me a look.
Yeah, look now.
Yeah.
One here, Jordan. See? Alright, yo, me I get spark. And
Yeah, we just get a gas. Somebody say get a screwdriver and pull out one of the spark plug wire. Stick it in the spark plug wire and test if it's getting power by put it on a nut. And it's ear lock, you know.
when ear lock you would not remember. Tell him something I get spark.
Look around here, so 1 week this I don't know if you relate to it.
Hold on.
Like one belt to the move slow. I don't know if you relate to it.
Oh yeah man, yeah. It's supposed to turn with the engine.
Too slow. Listen for the gas pump.
Gas pump sing. I get spark. Alright.
Shout out from Guyana, super sane.
Big up from Guyana, all the way to Guyana. What's it? Alright, me I want.
What is the fuel pressure gauge say? Cause I know it no move to me exactly dominate. I know it no move.
It does go so. I could just don't go.
Person said they see move, but I didn't see it. Somebody said the fuel pressure. Well, the 4th gen TFL fuel pressure looks low for real.
Yeah.
Call the tuner.
I agree.
Fuel pressure shouldn't be at 0 when ignition on or cranking.
Yeah.
side tire problem. No reset button on the day.
No, so I can't reset. A mechanical. I mean, I have to take care of.
Oh.
But it's a different.
Prime the pump for that man. Super
Yeah,
safe.
alright. So,
Prime the pump 3 times and try start.
alright. Jordan, you don't go start the car. You go this turning, turn it one click, but don't try and start it. Go on.
Mikey 876 if you show it to him.
Alright, there. Alright, so people, when you prime me,
Do it again.
one more time. Put back your phone, Jordan. Kyoko,
Do it again, Jordy.
prime me.
Oh.
Go! It's a prime.
See it up there, so see it move.
Prime me again. Yeah. Hello. Alright guys, so I'm taking this time out to introduce you guys to the Maxpeedingrods GT35 Turbo. The turbo they sent me is the gold aluminum compressor wheel. The fact that it's gold alone sells the product for me. Specs wise, anything Maxpeedingrods sells that is golden is more durable, probably gives you more power, and it looks cool in your engine bay. Maxpeedingrods sells a whole bunch of other performance stuff that you guys may not even know that they sell. So just check out their website. You'll find HBM rods, you'll find bigger or smaller turbos, you'll find suspension. There's a whole bunch of stuff that they have on their website you can check out. Just remember on checkout to use the code REDGEAR or franchise to get that discount when you're buying parts for yourself or your family members.
Just spray a little bit of gas in this and it start. I know current air problem, but I like the gas pump.
But I don't see if the gas pump dead. The gas pump dead in it.
Just draft the little band the way I ride up on the throttle body and put the throttle blade and spray a little bit of gas in the throttle body. Just spray a little gas through this before you pull the filter line.
Alright.
Just spray a little bit of gas in this and it start. I know current air problem, but I like the gas pump.
But I don't see if the gas pump dead. The gas pump dead in it.
Just draft the little band the way I ride up on the throttle body and put the throttle blade and spray a little bit of gas in it.
And the boy here, you know, so.
Jordan. Jordy, come. Jordan just wants to start, you know.
That's Alright people, so conclusion is most likely the pressure regulator. I guess one problem I know. So I am going to pull it to my mechanic and make him have that problem for the you see me? I just want to start to see if I could drive it good because I drive it come back. But, you know what I mean? It's easier when him have it in can just run through everything. As y'all know, I'm not a mechanic. I just know more around here a little bit. Yeah, so that I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull it. No back.
Hold!
Yeah, so that we're gonna do now. We're gonna pull it go mechanic. Yeah. Alright, Jordan. So we didn't get it to start, man. You can't see disappointment on your face. Watch your foot there. People, yeah, so we didn't get the car to start, obviously. So we're gonna pull it. But anyways, the GT35 turbo, fuel pressure regulator, black guard, spar fan, rods, pistons, then of the car. Go and pull it. Are this one you say I get wet? So, I get dry that.
Let I get dry.
Yeah, man. So,
Time to haul the car.
time to pull it.
Yes. I will go steer.
You go steer.
Steer what? Yeah, Joe Tiagi.
Babe,
Yeah, pull the car.
no me dreams.
Daddy, yeah. Cobweb.
Cobweb in a muffler. No, man.
So we're gonna
I
move
go
it
steer.
now.
So we're gonna move it now.
Mm.
We're gonna tie it to something and pull it.
But look here now.
You go tie it to your car and tie to your car and then you're going to pull it. That's all.
Yeah.
Me done.
My son Karamon did make me all the car when me around Kyoko here. Integra.
Where you all live with?
No, he put me in the car and draw down and brake and me have to steer me while I push.
Yeah, you poop.
No, cute. I see him thing in there. You want to tell she did. No, she did. Yeah.
Alright, so because we now get to start, I know say I'm pushing at the thing. Well, not pushing, I pull it.
How are you going to push?
Are you ain't gonna push it?
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife are behind the camera. Yeah, so I go run out of the yard now and tie it to the van there what so.
Okay.
And pull it go down a dookie.
It is backing out. I want to jump. One big black lizard. That's sweet, you know. No.
Oi!
Supposed to start in a real life, put it.
A long time I don't roll in that car. As much as
And a real roll.
and a real roll and I start. That was fun. Being back in this car while it moved. My God. Yeah, look nice in the sun, kid.
Open?
It's time for Riri touch back the road now.
Yeah. And
This look nice, funny road, and I just say, really. Jesus.
Didn't realize how much I miss the car out there, so not true. The car sit up, man.
Yes.
alright guys, so we're getting assistance from Mr. Hines. Getting some assistance to bring down the EP down to the mechanic.
You know see how fast the car here come down?
I don't want to put on guy yet.
And that me I say.
Alright guys. Alright. So you know that's the procedure.
Alright people, so we try mechanic. I left you out. As usual, anyway, me the extra EK up. Yeah.
Extra EK everywhere we go.
So as usual, I am a drive.
Go
Him
home
go on
again.
like he no want.
In the train, I feel like excited.